The stylishly decorated Delphin Diva Premiere is a great option for an all-inclusive Turkish getaway. The hotel boasts a fantastic pool area including a pool with water slides as well as a children's splash area. Elsewhere there's a great dining offering, giving you the chance to dine around the world, with Mexican, Japanese, Turkish and Italian cuisine all on the menu. If that's not enough, there's a huge array of activities on offer, as well as a range of bars where you can enjoy the evening's entertainment. Land view room, side sea view room, duplex family room. Many room options are available. The rooms are spacious and comfortable. The All-Inclusive Plus package includes buffet breakfast, late breakfast, lunch, and dinner in the main buffet restaurant. For stays of 7 days or more, guests can dine once per stay in one of the a la carte restaurants. Reservation required. Open the 1st of April, the 31st of October. Snacks available at select times between meals including midnight snacks. Local and some international wine, beers, spirits, and non-alcoholic drinks are available for 24 hours per day. Three outdoor pools including children's pool and pool with children's section, freshwater, aqua park, indoor pool with children's section, children's pool, bowling alley, children's club, 4 to 12 years, arts and crafts, small team games, sports, movie nights, story time, drama and music and games consoles, children's playground, merry-go-round, slides and shaded area. Age and height restrictions may apply. Indoor play area, 4 to 12 years, supervised by hotel staff. Aqua park included, featuring slides, frequent daytime entertainment including small team games, team sports, family and water-based activities, frequent evening entertainment including bingo, in-house entertainment shows, karaoke, live DJ, live music, mini-disco and professional shows. Occasional daytime entertainment including family activities. Occasional evening entertainment including live music. Spa, sauna, steam room, Turkish bath, whirlpool and massage treatments. Beauty treatments available. On-site hairdressers. This hotel is a really good hotel. Families are very pleased to holiday in this hotel. It is very close to the airport. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel to watch such videos.